Hi everyone, this is Knowledge Topper, and in this video we will see another very important job description, and that is job description of an accounts receivable. Basically, this job description of an accounts receivable, it is not only important from the perspective of employer or a company, but it is also very important from the perspective of employees as well. Because in this job description we have included many important duties and responsibilities of an accounts receivable that helps potential candidates to work on important requirements in order to meet the specific requirement of this particular job. So every job description, it starts with an introductory paragraph, which is called as a job summary paragraph. And generally, it is a brief paragraph and it states about a particular job title, firstly, for which the particular company is looking to hire its potential candidate. In our scenario, it is for an accounts receivable. Then in this paragraph, very important duties and responsibilities are mentioned by the company, as well as some important skills as well in order to find its potential candidate. Basically, this paragraph is a summary of this whole job description, and it includes all the very important and key information about a job of an accounts receivable. Okay, so as you can see, I have created this particular job description sample for you guys. Firstly, I will read the job summary paragraph, then we will see the detailed duties and responsibilities, and at the end we will also see the requirement as well. Okay, like if I can read for you guys this particular job summary paragraph. We are looking for an analytical accounts receivable professional to assist our accounting department as it receives, processes, and collects on goods sold or services rendered. In this role, you will be required to review account information, correct discrepancies, and ensure that accounts are properly billed and that payments are collected. To succeed as an accounts receivable professional, you should be a skilled and thorough researcher with excellent communication and record keeping skills. You should be detail oriented, organized, and self motivated with strong math and computer skills. So, this is our job summary paragraph. After the job summary section, we have the detailed duties and responsibilities section that provides more detailed duties and responsibilities that must matches with the skills of a potential candidate. And one more important thing, like all these duties and responsibilities are important, and generally all these are part of every job description of an account receivable, but because of the fact that a lot of companies also have different requirements, so they can include and exclude this particular duties and responsibilities section with as per their own requirement. Like if I can read for you guys all these duties and responsibilities. As an accounts receivable, your duties and responsibilities include processing, verifying, and posting receipts for goods sold or services rendered, researching and resolving account discrepancies, processing and recording transactions, maintaining records regarding payments and account statuses, obtaining information from other departments to ensure records are accurate and complete and that accounts receivable ledgers and generals are up to date, working with the collections department to review accounts, client payments, credit history, and develop new or better repayment terms, performing administrative and clerical tasks such as data entry, preparing invoices, sending bill reminders, filing paperwork, and contacting clients to discuss their account, generating reports and statements for internal use, engaging in ongoing educational opportunities to update job knowledge. So all these are the detailed duties and responsibilities as part of your job of an accounts receivable. After the detailed duties and responsibilities section, we have the qualification, or you can say requirement section. This section includes the education, skills, and sometimes experience requirement that must include in a potential candidate in order to qualify for a job of an accounts receivable. Like if I can read for you guys all these requirements. As an accounts receivable, you must have a bachelor's degree in accounting, finance, or related field. You must have at least 3 years experience in a similar role, strong math, typing, and computer skills, especially with bookkeeping software, excellent communication, research, problem solving, and time management skills, high level of accuracy, efficiency, and accountability, attention to detail, ability to build relationships with clients and internal departments. So all these are the requirement for a job of an accounts receivable. And at the end, our job description ends with a call to action paragraph that states how a potential candidate can apply for a particular job, or in easy words, you can say that how they approach to an HR department to get more information about this particular job of an accounts receivable. Basically, a medium of contact is written in this section by a company. And finally, our job description is ended here. I hope you liked today's video on a job description of an accounts receivable. If you like this video, thumbs up. Do appreciate our hard work in creating this particular sample and video for you by subscribing our channel Knowledge Topper, as well as like our Facebook page. And do join our Facebook group as well, where you find a lot of good material, not just related to these topics, but from many other career oriented videos as well. So this is it for this video. Thank you so much everyone. It's time to say bye bye.